Let me start recording. Shri Guru Bhyo Namaha Om Shri Ganeshaya Namaha. Today we are going to have the systematic withdrawal plan by number of units in mutual fund. This is continuation of the series RetrRich episode number 05. Let us start with 40,000 units availability and SWP by number of units for 25 years or 300 months. Disclaimer: I am Brahmadeshan Narsimha Venkataraman. This video presentation is for information, education and estimation purposes only, and not to recommend buy or sell, invest or redeem your funds. Every investment has its own associated risk, and without knowing the risk, don't invest. I am neither an agent, nor a broker, nor any advisor. Simply an analyst with computer background. In this session, we are going to see the redemption by units, and this is a novel scheme not available in current market scenario. The advantages: minimum amount redemption of 500 is still continued. Minimum number of units corresponding to 500 at start. Minimum is value of the number of units should be is greater than 500. Minimum units is unity, subject to above rule number 2. We will be able to understand these things when we are seeing the actual demo. Reserved units corresponding to final inflation protection value. Some units are reserved so that the final value it becomes the inflation protected. Balance only divided equally into the number of months. Above rule 4 and 5 accepted if last edit field is number of units. This is as per my calculator. Links of playlist and PDF files of previous videos are given in the description box below. We'll go to calculator, and before that we'll see the summary. Considering 40,000 units at NAV of current NAV of 18.589, a random figure, and fund value of this 40,000 units is 7.43 lakhs. Units redeemed per month is 83.957. This is the calculator one, and initial value of this 83.957 units is 1,753.68. Because we have considered the NAV at 18.589 and 10% return. Let us see the calculator. See, this is the home page, bnvenkataraman.com, the home page of this. In the last line, we have got a link for SWP by number of units in mutual fund. Click this link, and there is a calculator. You can change the menu. Instead of 4 lakhs, we will take 40,000 number of units. Let NAV is 18.589, a random figure, and 25 years at 10% return. Monthly frequency and inflation return is 6%. The calculated units is 83.957 units. The calculator also provides the audit table which shows every month how NAV varies, and for estimation purposes we have taken uniform increase, but in actual practice there will be fluctuations, and it can be less than this also, less than this 18.589 also, and much greater than the projected value also. See, for example, at the end of first year, it is 20.53 is the NAV. It can be more or less than this one, but the average in the average of 25 years, but is 224.166. That is about 4.46 times. $224.126 divided by 18.589 comes to 12 times. NAV increases to around 12 times because of 10% interest rate, and final value increases from 7,43,000 to 33 lakh. It is about 4.46 times in 25 years. We can see this in the summary which I already carried out. The initial number of units is 40,000. SWP number of units is 83.957. Is available here in the audit table also. And variation on NAV started from 18.58 to 12 times. And accordingly, the variation in value every month would be from 1,500 to 18,800. Again, 12 times. The number of values came to about 12 times. The starting fund value is 7.43, and at the ending fund value is about 4.46 times. It is 33 lakhs rupees. Let us take another scenario where for the same sort of 40,000 units, the unit redemption is only 27 units. Yes, let us see how it is. Say in the calculator, you go to the menu page and keeping all other things same as previous things, edit it. That is, now it is read-only figure. You click this read-only figure, it will come to edit mode. This portion is edit mode. Let us take 27. (27) is the number of units to redeem. Say it's much lesser. This is the minimum unit. See, for example, minimum unit may be 26.99, etc. But it is, we rounded to 27, and it is minimum unit is unity. There is much more than one, therefore it is 27, and the minimum value of SWP should be start with 500 rupees. That is, now it is for 27 units, it is worked out to 506 rupees. Therefore, it is more than 500 and it is more than 1 unit. It satisfies both these minimum conditions. Then, at the end of it, you can see the audit table continues and shows up to 300 months. That is year 25, 12th month. It increased from 506 to 6,000 rupees. The SWP. A summary is here. The SWP units is 27. Variation in NAV is 18.589 to 224. That's same as previous things. Variance in values, it is 506 to 6,000 rupees. starting fund value 7.43 and ending fund value, because we are taken very less units redemption, again nearly 10 times, about 9.5 times increase is there, from start value of 7.43 lakhs to end value of 71.49 lakhs. That is at the end of 25th years. After redemption, still we are left with fund value of 71.49. This we can see in the summary here. I have reproduced the summary here. 27 units we are withdrawing from 569 to 6,000 rupees. Variation in withdrawal. And so as I told you, this is a novel scheme. In the present scenario, there is no AMC provides this redemption by number of units. In SWP, normally you can one to one you can, but on the other hand, in a automated form, we cannot provide just number of units in SWP in the current scenario. Therefore, this is my suggested scheme. Then let us take another example. In this example, the number of units we provide something much higher, say 1,000 units. In 1,000 units, start with at 18.589 NAV, it also to 18,743 rupees. The first month, end of first month. And the fund lasts only for 4 years, 4 months. The 4 years, 4 months, that is 40th month. There is no balance in program, and program terminated with settlement of last 1,000 units of value 25,000 and so on. Up to this we started with 18,000 rupees and ended with 25,000 rupees. The summary is here and reproduced in the presentation. It is here. Say the program got terminated in 40 months because in 40 months itself all the 40,000 units got exhausted. And the summary is here. Up to the summary is 40,000 units to start with. SWP number of units 1,000 units per month. Variation in NAV 18.589 at the 40th month it is 25.9072. It cannot go up to 300 months and previous case 224 rupees NAV. No, we are not. And the variation in value is this 80,000 to 25,000, and starting fund value is 7.43, ending fund value is 0.00. That is the final sum is final units are settled down in the 40th month. Once again I repeat that this is a novel scheme. It is not available in the current market scenario. Therefore, a newcomer, a startup can think of this sort of ideas. We have seen the calculator. I request viewers to subscribe, like and share to like-minded people. Thanks for watching. Let me close the recording. Let me stop recording.